Hello everyone. In this session we'll see another question on inverse, matrix inverse, and it is from GATE ECE 2016. So it says if m4 m to the power 4 is equal to I, where m is not equal to I, m square is also not equal to I, m3 is also not equal to I, then for any natural number k, m inverse is how much? So it says m4 is equal to I. What if we multiply m inverse on both the sides? M inverse into m to the power 4 will become m inverse, right? M inverse into I will become m inverse, and this is going to be equal to m cube. So we don't have m cube, but we have this m4k plus 3. So can we write this as m4k into m3? And we know that m to the power 4 is I. So if m to the power 4 is I, m to the power 4k will be nothing but ik, which will be simply I, right? Any power raised, because I to the power n is always I. So that means instead of m3 we can also write it as m4k plus 3. So this is going to be the solution.